For those who wants a faster PC without upgrading your hardware, you can try this and optimize modifications on Windows designed for enthusiasts. Well, I have already did it, and if I click on my task manager and I click on my performance, you could see here my threads. While I'm opening Discord, while I'm opening OBS to record, while I'm opening this browser right here, my threads are only 1,100. Well, if you can check your own threads, right? You can check your own threads, and your threads will be around 3,000 or up above. You can check it right now. While you're checking that, let's go to the website. This is just simply a debloating software, better than the one you could find on GitHub, which is this one. This is the one that people usually use to clean their Windows 11 or Windows 10, but if you want a much more advanced, much more complete debloating software, this would be the right choice. Let's go straight on to the installation guide. So what you need here, you can read this, all of this one by one. Let's just skip and go to chapter 5, which is run disable driver installations. So what you want to do is go here. It's not here. It's supposed to be here. At last, I click on get started or following the guide. Oh, you're supposed to click this. Get started or following the guide. Click on this OS Playbook. So this is a different file. You have to download both of this. ME Wizard is the software that you're going to use, because I have already downloaded all of it. I'm going to just extract them using 7-zip. Extract to so you want to open this up, yes, and you must disable your Windows antivirus or Windows Defender. You can do that by going here, and I think mine's already disabled. That's why I don't have the same thing as yours here. Or you can click somewhere on the app. You can click somewhere on the app. You can click this to go straight to your Windows Defender settings. After that, you want to put the APBX file to the software. Select the playbook exists, because I have already used this, so I don't need to do this again. For you want to do this again. You can also check for updates. You can also check for the release notes. Let's go through the release note together. There's nothing really important here to look at. You can also go through the source code to view what kind of changes they're making inside your PC. But do bear in mind that there could be a risk of security, so make sure that you're doing this only on your gaming PC, not on your working PC or something like that. Not where on a PC that you have something important to store on. So after you have installed this, I think you're pretty much all good. You can check on your threads. It goes up because I'm opening a lot of tabs, but aside from that, it will go down. Well, to be honest, threads is not a correlation to performance, but it does help because your CPU is handling less process. That means it's a good thing. Basically, it's like you are driving a car that weighs less than a heavier car. You can take a look on all of this. You can take your time to read. There's also advanced configuration that I haven't read. This is like an additional tweak. You can also try this. There's a forum that explain what this do. what does this thing do, but I'm not going to go into details by looking up what this thing do. You can try and learn it yourself. Also this, the most important thing here is that you must read all of the tweaks before using them. Static IP, this is not something that I recommend you guys do. Wi-Fi, don't need to do this at all. I don't know why they bothered to put all of this here. These are some bothersome tweaks. And Windows, nothing here. Interface, nothing here. Context menus these are nothing. This contains nothing. And security, I don't really care. I don't have anything important stored here anyway. And hardware, this is kind of important though. You can check what your motherboard is, and then you can search for your motherboard. For example, mine is. You don't need to actually download ASW info. You can also do that by using this one right here. Sorry, this is not the right system information. This is the one. So my motherboard is Prime H310M. That's the revision number 2. So this is just my PC back at my hometown. So yeah, it's really big, to be honest, for these days. Then you can strip that up. Let me do that for you here, and then search for the driver. Go to support. Usually it's at support. Holy shit! This is the one. You want to go to support tab, and then you can get all the driver for your motherboard. Make sure to select the right OS. I think you can use Windows 10 for Windows 11 as well. You can get all these things here if you need them. If you don't, then don't, I guess. This is how you can reinstall your Windows. This is how you can upgrade your BIOS. Flashing means upgrading. XMP means overclocking your RAM. Resizable bar. You can give this one a try. Might work a little bit. And there's a lot of general tips. That you can read and discover by reading on this documentation. So I think I have covered all of the things that you can do with this Atlas OS. So let's get that threads reduced to 1100. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, issues, complaints, just write me at the comment.